Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 28th, 2018, and I wanted to talk to you today about tropical hibiscuses. And this is one of my tropical hibiscus bushes. This one here is a double, and I have another one over here. Hold on a moment. And this is one of my other ones. This one is a double also. And you can see all the blooms coming on these. Now these are planted in containers. I don't grow mine in the ground, and I don't dig them out for the fall. I just grow them in containers. I take them in the winter time, and then I bring them back out when it starts warming up in the spring. Now you do have to watch out for frost, so that's definitely something you have to watch out for because they don't like cold temperatures. They are a tropical plant. The wind's blowing up here today, sorry about that. You can see there's more blooms down here. Now, these bushes are growing back still. I had pruned and trimmed them. And you can see this one over here is still growing out. I pruned and trimmed them when they came out in the spring. And you can see the blooms coming on them. There's more blooms coming. And usually what I do with these is I feed them about once a week. You can just use your regular all-purpose Miracle-Gro, or if you have more foliage than what you have blooms, then you'll want to switch to a bloom boost, like a 15-30-15. That's what I use. I'll put some links down below for the different plant foods that I feed these with. And like I said, they get fed once a week. Now you never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on them, and I don't want to do that, so always make sure that your plants are well watered before you feed them. And now these can get top heavy, and the wind can blow them over and knock them over. Usually if it's a really windy day and it keeps blowing them over, I'll just let them down for that day, and then I'll pick them back up the next day, because when they keep hitting the deck or something, it can break the stems on them and it can damage them. So a few things you want to watch out for on your tropical hibiscus bushes is aphids, and you also want to watch out for white flies and scale. What scale will be is on your stems. You'll see like these kind of oval shaped things on your stems, and they'll look out of place. They won't look right. They can either be like black in color, or they can be like a tan in color. So the best way to combat those is with systemic product, which what you do with that is you water it into your soil, the plant takes it up, and because the scale pierces into the stems, it will actually, the product goes through the whole plant. So when the insect pierces into the stems, they'll be basically drinking the insecticide. You can use a spray on them, but another thing you want to watch out for is white flies on them, and thrips. That's another one. White flies, you'll see, they'll be like on the backs of the leaves. They'll be teeny white things, and if you shake the plant, you'll see like little things fluttering down like snowflakes. That'll be white flies there. There's some different products you can use to get rid of those. Before you take your plants in the fall time, you definitely want to look them over, make sure like there's nothing on them, check for any type of pest. Oops, there they went. And hold on a moment. And you want to treat any type of pest before you do take it inside. Now, if you have like your ladybugs and stuff on there, or the ladybug larvae, then if you do treat your plant with any type of insecticide, it will hurt those. So if you see like your ladybugs or your ladybug larvae on your plants, then don't treat them. Just let the ladybugs eat away, and let the ladybug larvae do their job, because they love to eat the aphids and different pests and stuff. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.